Hello, thanks for joining to another Gangster Rivera video. Today this is Hot Wheels Collection update number 6. Today we'll take a look what is unboxing to me. So let's get started. This is Wheel Loader. Didn't have my collection. This is another. This is 2001 model. Um, this is 2000 model, made in 2000. I'm gonna say this is part of the 1980. Yeah, 1980. This is a another. This is what the Caterpillar, when they produce these Hot Wheels, until they stop. So let's take a look. Alright, the wheel loader has moved, so no name. That is it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.